For this part of the country where we there, people no believe say you need to dey talk if you get mental problem. They go tell you say, you no get mind, you weak,
Yes.
you know strong. Nah, you need deliverance. But right now, so many people they smile. As they smile inside their hearts, they don't
shake.
tire, some they cry. They don't be following anybody talk. If they follow you talk, next thing you don't enter social media. You know, so this generation, everybody
want drop am
so people no feel really open up, because when they open up and talk to you for office, your colleague tell you one thing, next thing you don't put down for WhatsApp status.
Imagine that.
Or they go discuss one thing with you for church. Somebody go trust you well, go put mouth, tell you something for church.
That for pulpit. I don't see that happen. No.
Pastor don't hold mic, don't carry that thing talk.
Brethren,
Which kind thing be that? All those things, and they make our people sometimes no dey fit talk. And even when you can't talk, they go use and they laugh you. Stigma. You can't make you be like say
now your own bad pass.
Now you worse pass. You no get mind, you no strong. So everybody can they shut up, and if they chop people. Go now make we talk say, as they talk about World Mental Health Day yesterday, now we bring and come say you will be say you get mental challenge, you dey down, depressed, angry, anxiety won't finish you. Maybe you lose your job, you lose your family, you lose your wife, you lose your relationship, or picking one thing. You know they alone. No give up. Continue. Brighter side day. As we dey put on for this song, at the end of the tunnel, light go shine. Don't let anybody burst your bubble. Like I go always talk, and good life now waiting.
Nonsense.
Good life now sense.
Now, if you be say una know me Lagos, Nigeria as a chief son, I know say I go always want to hide these conversations to the very sensitive people for our society. Not like say people not sensitive, but the children when we say we they come with, because our own as adult, our own don't pass to a certain level. But to fit change the society, I think it start with children. Now you say something, doctor. You say we come up from a time when we say to talk, say you dey weak, for instance, as a man, they go say why be say you dey talk and you're not man enough. Why you dey cry? Why man not dey cry? Woman is supposed to share time after all. It's what it's supposed to be and blah blah blah. How we go fit stop this cycle of stupid? I go say stupid thinking of thinking. Say you need to dey strong even when you dey break to our children. How do we make this conversation of mental awareness dey more relatable to our children?
The way to do and be say we need to keep talking about it. We need to talk about them and let children understand. Say you know they weak. You know they no be say you no get mind, you know strong. If you talk, say they go through mental challenge. Because as Africans, our parents believe say don't need to wait concern you as pikin. Now make you chop food and make you go school.
You pass exam.
Go school and pass exam. Some children go they collect bully. They go they bully some pikin for school.
Wow.
Pikin no go fit talk to mama, no go fit talk to papa. Pikin go come.
Not be boy like you, not be girl like you.
When they misbehave, and when the pikin manage talk, they go take him flogger. Wetin you know. So we need to talk about parents, teachers, guardians, leaders, because these children where they come, and then be the next generation.
Yeah.
And now how we take carry and pass, and so you go take pass, they go. We did this time, we don't suffer. Some people say have no fit talk to anybody. They prefer to die alone. It no good make children get that kind of mind. Children should be able to open up, look for somebody to trust, and tell you say, something they disturb me. Wetin dey disturb you? Because if you can tell mama now say, mommy my mind dey disturb me, I no dey feel sleep again, I don tire, I just feel sad. Wetin you know about life? And they go tell
you make money.
You dey make
you
money.
Go outside. Not be just to consider as they shop my food.
Now you dey pay house rent, which is very very wrong. We need to carry this message enter every area. Say our children too, then they involved. Make we dey talk about them and encourage them to speak up.
Okay, for the young parents out there, when they intentional about the children, when we say that they won't raise up, something interesting for this PTA meeting when we say sit down across board for some teachers when we say they teach for different schools, they say something and I can't begin to observe them. If you're picking, they perform at a certain level before for school, and you know can they perform at a certain level, how we as parents still they won't get into their mental health to know whether they do okay. For instance, I opened this conversation with my son, and in content me say in the anxious. Normally you get some subjects when we say in they do okay with, but for some reason the past 10 went past in con they anxious, not come to they perform well. And personally as a mom, I can't they feel very, I don't know how I want to cope. So as parents, when you're picking, they open up, they get places when we say you feel go to get better literature, make you go feel read. Place when you feel get help to know how you feel relate with your picking in this way, because now every day we they learn.
And that's it again, and parents they put unnecessary pressure on picking. Go tell you say if you go this school, you know carry first, come back. If you know carry first, come back to this house. Problem for you. So first of all, all the pikin don't dey on tension. if the pikin go write exam, pikin no can carry that first.
My Lord.
Problem. You don't put pikin for what? I go flog you. So from small age, parents don't already they put pressure on top pikin body. So that pikin now for in life, anyhow, I must carry the first, which is not good. Rather, to support the pikin.
Okay, we go open the phone lines after we go on this break, and hopefully, doctor, it's not a short time we do, but we don't talk with children for small.
Maybe adults.
We go enter adults in a bit because research too for Lagos does show say the ages of 15 to 25, more adults don't they feel suicidal.
Depression there everywhere now.
Depression there everywhere. In fact, from the songs that they sing, I go always talk if you listen to the young people song now, you go the hear I be say many of them they turn to drugs, they turn to illegal substances to just feel alive. So doctor, when we get a pandemic like this, only just yesterday they just discover more tramadol for airports to tell you how much people they demand them, people they taking.
I follow somebody talk yesterday. The person tell me say, "Oga doctor, I knocked tramadol for over 5 years." You see, but
codeine, the ones who don't abuse them.
He say, "Thank God for my life. Hey, God don't help me." And this thing they scatter the generation.
It is scatter. So when we come back, Dr. Fredo, in there on social media and everything, make una send questions. If you get a younger one, if you get your own self, how you be say you fit deal with mental health without wanting to enter into addictions, because you think say not be you today, it go shock you. The people I don't see when they take crack, when they take things so they're not supposed to take because they just want to forget and feel alive in some way. For people when we say they want that for Lagos, whether mental health, they fit go waka, go meet a doctor or somebody to tell you stay talk to. Where they fit go?
Well, depends on for where the person day. Then get many NGOs, mental health NGOs, where they even campaign right now. Then plenty online, and that is why this platform, where we they talk, it go good make all these kind of NGOs.
Maybe on Thursday we'll go bring them this week. Maybe on
reach
Thursday
out
we'll
to
we'll
us.
talk. May they drop their updates.
Reach out to us, NGOs where they into mental health, so that people go know how to reach you. Not be say you go just hide for one place.
They expect say they go see you.
Go see you.
Joe from Ikorodu said, "Okay, my workplace where they work, they affect my mental health too, and they work with an abusive boss."
Imagine.
Make you understand, the people don't they quit their job per second billing, because nobody get energy to call the face or guy where be say not get sense. So you go call carry your pressure for ask what they give me for office.
They give you high blood pressure for
BPO
for small age.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chook Mouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chook Mouth.